The push to decarbonize is reshaping every industry, and lubricants are playing a bigger role than you might think. Glycerol-based lubricants, nearly 100% renewable, water-soluble, and already performing successfully in forestry, agriculture, and hydropower applications for over 8 years, are proving that sustainable lubrication is within reach. Meanwhile, extending lubricant service life and additive replenishment can dramatically reduce carbon emissions and turn lubricants from consumables into assets. Alternative fuels like ammonia, hydrogen, and e-fuels are creating new lubricant challenges in automotive and marine applications. New research is working to reformulate lubricants that can handle the unique combustion chemistry of these fuels, from managing NOx emissions to protecting engines running at over 150,000 revolutions per minute. Lubricants are a powerful lever in the fight against climate change. Read the full story in STLE's 2026 report on emerging issues and trends in tribology and lubrication engineering.